An enormous signal has recently been observed on Coinbase. There has not been an instance of this magnitude in more than 3 years. A significant enhancement to the ecosystem has been implemented by Shiba Inu. Nothing could be more ideal than this. Is it formally the bull season? It is impossible for me to articulate the extent of my enthusiasm. Today is an occasion of immense significance. However, what genuine events are taking place? Well, let us investigate. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. It was a week of considerable importance last week. There was eventually a surge in cryptocurrency prices. Although it was not substantial, even a modest increase could be considered significant after the numerous days of losses. The Federal Reserve is about to reduce interest rates by 50 basis points within the next 4 days, which was the primary factor contributing to this. And indeed, it appears that the Federal Reserve is once again providing us with a roller coaster ride. If history is repeated, the situation could become quite thrilling in the near future, as this is the ideal quantity of fuel to elevate the bullish momentum. But pause, why is this so important? However, the financial world is impacted by the announcement of rate reduction by the Federal Reserve, particularly those that are as significant as 50 basis points. Typically, rate decreases reduce the cost of financing, which in turn promotes investment and expenditure. As traders anticipate increased liquidity migrating into riskier assets, this frequently results in an increase in purchasing pressure in the crypto world. Similar to adding fuel to an already smoldering inferno, prices could potentially increase as optimism increases if the market responds in the same manner as it has in the past, which could serve as the ideal catalyst for a bullish run. The Federal Reserve's decision is the subject of all attention, as it has the potential to establish the tone for the subsequent significant market movement. The timing of the Shiba Inu dev team's update is ideal, as all of these indicators are favorable. It is significantly more effective to provide updates during a market upswing than during a downside. Updates are more likely to acquire traction, which in turn generates additional exhilaration and confidence when the market is bullish. There is a high level of enthusiasm. And this is precisely what transpired. The PuppyNet, the testnet variant of the Shibarium Layer 2 solution that powers Shiba Inu, is preparing for significant technological advancements. Declared on Friday, Buor, a critical component of the network, is scheduled to acquire an updated iteration. In addition, the upgrade will be accompanied by the Cancun hard fork. All of these enhancements have the potential to significantly improve the network's capabilities. A paradigm changer for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, this offers a more efficient storage system, enhanced user experience, and faster transactions. Nevertheless, let us take a few steps back. Why does this issue matter so much at this time? Unfortunately, PuppyNet is a testnet, which means that it functions in a manner comparable to the primary network but lacks any tangible value. Developers are able to identify and resolve vulnerabilities without the danger of significant losses by utilizing testnets to fine-tune the system. Ethereum implements the same approach with its Sepolia testnet, and other projects have their own variants, including the Goerli and Kovan tokens that are currently obsolete. PuppyNet enables Shiba Inu's team to guarantee that all systems operate seamlessly prior to implementing these enhancements on a live network, positioning the Shiba Inu for success in the future. The timing is impeccable, particularly in a green market. These updates have the potential to increase optimism and fortify Shiba Inu's status as a project with genuine technological support, rather than merely as a caricature coin. This enhancement is of paramount importance to the overall Shiba Inu ecosystem, and the development team addressed its significance in greater detail. The Shiba Inu devs have implemented their second hard fork of the year, specifically the Cancun upgrade. The significance of these technological advancements was underscored by Lucy, a prominent figure in the community, who tweeted that the upgrade is intended to improve Shibarium and its testnet, PuppyNet. Lucy underscored the importance of the Cancun upgrade for developers, asserting that it will facilitate incredible modifications that will enhance the network's speed, reliability, and security. What will the Cancun hard fork mean for Shibarium? Generally, it is anticipated that it will improve the efficacy of the storage system, deliver a perceptible increase in transaction velocities, and generally improve the user experience. The purpose of this upgrade is to enhance Shibarium's resilience and capability to meet the expanding needs of its user base. The Shiba Inu dev team is constructing a more secure and efficient ecosystem by refining PuppyNet and implementing Cancun, which is crucial as Shibarium develops. These enhancements fortify Shiba Inu's infrastructure, demonstrating that the company is not merely capitalizing on the current fad, but is also establishing a sustainable future. And this is the point at which the situation becomes intriguing. At last, it appears that the future is beginning to illuminate more clearly. Today is a genuinely critical moment, as a significant signal has recently emerged in the broader crypto market. It is likely that you are curious as to why this is the case. A bullish signal that is exceedingly uncommon has been identified for Bitcoin by Coinbase Premium. One of the community experts from the CryptoQuant platform provided a detailed explanation of the potential reasons for the narrowing of Coinbase Premium. An indicator of long-term bullishness for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's duration to attain a new all-time high has been monitored using this metric in the past. Bitcoin reached its all-time peak in 2021 as a result of a closely related signal. Now, what is currently transpiring? According to the 1-hour chart of Coinbase Premium, analysts are observing a triangular convergence in which the upper and lower bounds are approaching zero. This pattern bears a striking resemblance to the bullish flag, a dependable indicator that frequently suggests an imminent breakout in the trading world. The convergence was initially identified by Avocado on-chain, a verified CryptoQuant analyst. He noted that a comparable formation had emerged just prior to Bitcoin's meteoric ascent to its all-time high during the earlier bull market. Still, why is this significant? Well, Coinbase Premium monitors the price disparity between Bitcoin on Coinbase and other platforms. The narrowing of the premium frequently suggests that U.S. institutional investors, who predominantly trade on Coinbase, are participating. Growing demand from major actors is typically indicative of a favorable trend in Bitcoin's price action, as indicated by this type of activity. If history is any indication, this could serve as an early warning sign of a significant rally. Many traders are anticipating a substantial upward movement as this triangular pattern intensifies and all eyes will be on Bitcoin. This could be the initial indication that Bitcoin is preparing for another ascent to new heights, which would make it a thrilling period for the crypto space. And we are all aware that Bitcoin never climbs independently. It consistently causes the entire crypto space to be dragged along. In light of this, it is reasonable to assume that the Shiba Inu may be in for a challenging experience. The most recent analysis has generated considerable excitement among specialists, with one analyst suggesting that a significant event may be imminent. The Shiba Inu token has been the subject of an update from market analyst CryptoCheck, which indicates that it may be on the brink of a dramatic price increase. Several other key indicators, including the Bollinger Band strategy, were employed by the analyst to forecast that Shiba Inu is poised for a significant breakout. What is the reason for this excitement? In its analysis of the one-day chart for Shiba Inu, CryptoCheck focused on the contraction of Bollinger Bands. Currently, Bollinger Bands are used to gauge the volatility of the market, and when they become extremely narrow, it is frequently indicative of a market that is in a state of calm prior to a tempest. Based to the report, this type of contraction typically occurs immediately prior to a significant price change, whether upward or downward. But here's the catch. Other indicators are suggesting that there will be an increase in the market. The Shiba Inu's Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is one of the most significant indicators that bolsters this bullish argument. For an extended period, the RSI has been at a low level and has recently reached its lowest level of the year. This indicates that the Shiba Inu is overbought, which typically indicates that a price reversal is imminent. Simply put, When an asset is overstated, it frequently attracts purchasers who are anxious to sell. Take advantage of the discounted price. This surge in demand has the potential to increase prices, which is precisely what CryptoCheck believes is currently transpiring with Shiba Inu. And the list does not conclude there. In addition, the analyst observed a V-shaped recovery pattern on the 4-hour chart, which further suggests a bullish breakout. Shiba Inu prices experienced a substantial decline in July, but they rebounded equally rapidly, suggesting that purchasers are prepared to intervene when prices decline. This robust rebound from lower levels indicates that the Shiba Inu has a robust support base, which further supports the notion that an upsurge is imminent. But please remain patient. The analysis also suggests that in order for this positive scenario to be completely realized, Shiba Inu must still surpass a critical trend line. In the event that this occurs, the floodgates could open, and the prices of Shiba Inu could soar, creating a thrilling period for Shiba Inu owners. So, it appears that we are on the brink of a significant event, given the accumulation of these bullish signals, including the Federal Reserve's forthcoming actions, Shibarium's upgrades, and Bitcoin's uncommon premium indicator. The timing of the bull season may be earlier than anticipated, as the stars are aligning for a market breakout. What is the genuine inquiry? Are you prepared for it? This is due to the fact that the market will experience a rapid turnaround. This surge has the potential to generate substantial profits for those who are adequately equipped. However, how do you feel about that? Plagiarism is prohibited. I would be enthusiastic about reading your perspective. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.